Are you confused about which smart TV platform to choose? Today, we are diving into Google TV, Tizen, and WebOS to help you decide which one is right for you. All three platforms are designed to make your TV smarter. They allow you to stream shows, browse apps, and enjoy a more interactive experience. But each one has its own unique features. Let's start with Google TV. This platform is built on Android. It offers a user friendly interface and integrates well with other Google services. You can easily access your favorite streaming apps and even use voice commands with Google Assistant. It's great for those who love customization and want a personalized viewing experience. Now, let's talk about Tizen. This is Samsung's smart TV platform. It's known for its sleek design and smooth performance. Tizen supports a wide range of apps and has a strong focus on gaming. If you own a Samsung device, Tizen can connect seamlessly with it. This makes it a solid choice for Samsung fans. Next up is WebOS, which is LG's platform. WebOS features a unique card-based interface. It's easy to navigate and allows for multitasking. You can quickly switch between apps and even access live TV. WebOS is perfect for those who enjoy a simple and straightforward layout. When comparing these platforms, the key differences lie in their design and compatibility. Google TV shines with personalization, Tizen excels in performance, and WebOS offers ease of use. In terms of pricing, all three platforms come with various TV models at different price points, so you can find something that fits your budget. In the end, if you want a customizable experience, go for Google TV. If you are a Samsung user, Tizen is the way to go. For a user friendly interface, WebOS is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.